Can you see the time, guys? It's 15:41, eh? And the show is starting at 6. Yeah, the doors are opening at 6. And my brother, Pride, is still running around. I don't know where we are, but we're like at a sound place. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a vlog of behind the scenes for everything concerning Worship Aloud experience, and Pride's second live album recording. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along. Sorry if I'm speaking very fast. I have a terrible headache. We just arrived. I couldn't vlog yesterday. We just arrived at the studio area, and I'm going to show you guys just like behind the scenes of our rehearsal sessions. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. today is the day of the live recording. It's exactly 4 hours before the event starts, and I am extremely nervous, but I pray that everything is going well and will go well. Let me just show you what I'm trying to get ready for, my outfit and stuff, which I promised you guys. So come along with me, let me show you. So we have like 2 outfits. Sorry, the camera cut. So we have 2 outfits. This is for the second session, and then the first session is in here, but I think I'll show you guys properly. And then the shoes are in here. It's really nothing new. It's mostly shoes that I wear and some shoes that I borrowed. And then I'm trying to put all my stuff in this small suitcase because there's quite a lot to carry. So yeah, that is me. I'm wearing Sounds of Worship t-shirt. Don't think you guys can see properly. Sounds of Worship t-shirt in gray. I hope you guys enjoy the show, I mean the live recording, and enjoy the album. So yeah, cheers, let's do this. Can you see the time, guys? It's 15:41, eh? And the show is starting at 6. Yeah, the doors are opening at 6. And my brother, Pride, is still running around. I don't know where we are, but we're like at a sound place. And because the sound engineer sent him, yo, he's been doing so much the whole day. See, yo, guys. This is real behind the scenes footage, like right now, right here. And every time I think about it, I'm just getting even more nervous. But God is in control. I believe that.
And demonstrate His power. This is the season to hunger and thirst for God. We have been chosen to worship Jesus, to worship and demonstrate His power. So we wait on the Lord to reveal His glory and power. So we wait on the Lord to reveal His glory and power. We will wait on You. Yes, we will. Wait on You for revival. We need revival. We have been praying and searching for You. Send us revival.